So this is our 62 plate Ford C-Max. It's covered just over 97,000 miles from new. It's got 10 service stamps in the book. Whilst on our care, we've replaced the cam belt water pump, replaced the front disc and pads, given it fresh MOT and a full 102-point independent mechanical inspection. Overall, the car's in good condition for the age and mileage. Couple of little marks on the paintwork here and there, but nothing awful. It's a really nice high spec as well. This is the Titanium X. Bit of a rare one to see on C-Maxes. Inside, you've got the half heated leather seats in the front, DAB radio, Bluetooth connectivity with audio streaming, air conditioning, steering wheel controls. It's all in really nice condition. You've also got a lovely big panoramic roof as well. Makes the cabin nice and bright. Good bit of legroom in the back. These seats as well, they fold forward and can be removed if you needed to haul anything a little bit bigger. Quite a practical motor. And you've also got this lovely big boot. Very, very practical family motor. It's the 2 litre diesel, 6-speed manual, surprisingly economical, the 2 litre diesel. You can very easily get over 40 miles to the gallon in this on longer journeys. Very, very nice motor. 10 service stamps, it's really been well looked after. We've done the cam belt and water pump, so it's all ready to go to its new owner.